In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for AWS and have access to all the AWS services. Some of the services are free forever, and some services are free for a year. On top of that, you'll get some credit which you can use toward your services for the first year. All you need is a credit card for authentication purposes. From your favorite search engine, search for AWS Free Tier. From the search results, click on Free Cloud Computing Service. Alternatively, you can go to aws.amazon.com/free. I will include all the links in the description as well. This will open the AWS Free Tier webpage, where you can read about all the free services inside Free Tier and check what services are available to you. Click on Create Free Account. On the next page, click on Create a new AWS account. On the sign up page, enter your email address and select the name for your account. You can change the account name later in the settings. Enter the information and click Verify email address. System will send you a verification code to the email you provided. You will need to enter that code in the next page. Enter the code and click Verify. On the next step, select the password for your AWS root account. Click Continue. On the next step, select Personal and enter your information and click Continue. Step 3 is where you need to enter your credit card information. There would be no charges to your credit card. And as explained in this page, Amazon might hold $1 or an equivalent amount in your local currency as a pending transaction for verification purposes. This is a method for AWS to confirm your provided information is valid. Enter the information and click Verify and Continue. On the next page, you need to confirm your identity by confirming your phone number. Enter your phone number and Amazon will send an SMS that you need to enter in the box. Enter the code that was SMSed to your phone and click Continue Setup. Last step, you can decide what level of support would you like to have for your AWS account. For your free tier, select Basic and click Complete Sign Up. You can change the support tier later in the settings. Congratulations, your free tier is now set up and ready to be used. Click on Go to AWS Management Console to log in and start using your account. Select Root User, enter your email and hit Next. Then enter your password and hit Sign In. You are now signed in to your AWS console where you can start creating resources. But before starting to use your AWS account, there are few security best practices that you need to consider. Join me on the next video to enable security features and create IAM account. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.